The Midnight Laboratory, Unpacking Sleep Secrets. Your eyelids feel heavy. That book slips from your hands. The world dissolves into static as you surrender to the nightly reboot cycle we call sleep. But what really happens when we power down? Let's wander through the neuroscience of slumber. The body's night shift. While you're drifting through dreamscapes, your body runs critical maintenance. Memory consolidation. Your hippocampus replays the day's events like a film editor, transferring short-term memories to long-term storage. Miss this, and yesterday becomes foggy. Cellular janitors. Glymphatic system cleaners flush brain toxins, including Alzheimer's-linked proteins, with cerebrospinal fluid. Think of it as a nightly brain detox. Hormone rebalancing. Growth hormones repair muscles, cortisol drops. Leptin, fullness hormone, rises while ghrelin, hunger hormone, falls. Skimp on sleep, and you'll crave carbs by noon. The architecture of rest. Sleep isn't monolithic. We cycle through stages every 90 minutes. 1 NREM Stage 1, the drowsy elevated descent. 2 NREM Stage 2, heart rate drops, body temp falls 45% of night. 3 NREM Stage 3, deep delta wave sleep for physical restoration. 4 REM brain fireworks, vivid dreams, paralyzed limbs, emotional processing. Why we short-circuit without it. Chronic sleep deprivation isn't just fatigue, it's systemic sabotage. Cognitive. After 19 awake hours, your brain performs like someone legally drunk. Emotional. Amygdala, emotion center, goes haywire, making you 60% more reactive to stresses. Physical. Just 1 week of 6 hours night alters 700+ genes linked to inflammation and metabolism. Hacking your sleep lab. Better rest isn't about more hours, it's about quality. Try these evidence-backed tweaks. The pre-sleep ritual. Dim lights 90 minutes before bed. Blue light kills melatonin. Take a hot bath. The core temp drop afterwards signals sleep readiness. Try the 10-3-2-1 method. 10H before bed, no caffeine. 3H, stop heavy meals, alcohol. 2H, quit work emails. 1H, screen blackout. Bedroom biomechanics. Temperature, 65 degrees F, 18 degrees C, is the science-approved sweet spot. Sound, pink noise, rainfall, fan hum, boosts deep sleep by 23% versus silence. Darkness, even charging LEDs disrupt sleep. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask. Daytime prep. Morning sunlight resets your circadian clock. Get 10 minutes within an hour of waking. Exercise early. Sweat sessions boost deep sleep, but within 3 hours of bedtime raise caught. The 20-minute rule, can't sleep, get up. Associate bed with sleep, not frustration. When sleep fights back. If insomnia persists. Try CBTI, cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. More effective long-term than sleeping pills. Investigate sleep apnea if you wake exhausted. Snoring plus fatigue equals red flag. The ultimate truth. Sleep isn't downtime, it's your neural renovation crew. Sacrificing it for productivity is like skipping car maintenance to drive farther. Tonight, when you sink into your pillow, remember, you're not just resting. You're rebuilding.